What is the formula for the area of a trapezoid? Well, before I tell you the formula, let's first talk about what a trapezoid is. And I've drawn a trapezoid on the screen for you to see. A trapezoid is a four-sided figure. So that means it's a quadrilateral, because quadrilaterals are polygons with four sides. Two of the sides are parallel to each other, but the other two sides are not. So a trapezoid has one pair of parallel sides. So we can say that a trapezoid is a four-sided figure with one pair of parallel sides. There's a special name for the sides that are parallel to each other, and they're called the bases of the trapezoid. So we can call this side base 1 and this side base 2. The distance between the two bases is the height of the trapezoid. So let's show the height. And we can label it h for height. To find the area of a trapezoid, and the area is the space inside the shape, we have to add the two bases together, multiply the sum by the height, and divide by 2. So the area is equal to base 1 plus base 2 times the height, all divided by 2. So let's add some numbers to our trapezoid. We can say that the longer base is 6 centimeters, and the shorter base is 4 centimeters. And let's say that the height is 5 centimeters. So let's find the area of this trapezoid. So the area would be base 1 is 4 plus base 2, which is 6, times the height, which is 5, divided by 2. Well, that gives us 4 plus 6 is 10, times 5 is 50, and 50 divided by 2 is 25. And the units of area would be centimeters squared, or square centimeters. I think it's important to understand where formulas come from. So let's take another look at our trapezoid. All trapezoids can be divided into two triangles. So I'm going to draw a line segment from this vertex all the way over to this one. Now you can see I have two triangles. If I find the area of each triangle, then add the areas together, I should get the area of the trapezoid. And we know that's 25 square centimeters. So the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. The base of this triangle is 6 centimeters, and its height is 5 centimeters. So that gives us 6 times 5 divided by 2. That equals 30 divided by 2, which is 15 square centimeters. Now we can find the area of this triangle. We know its base is 4 centimeters, and its height is the length of a line segment drawn from this vertex down to the base. Imagine extending this line a little bit. And that's the height. And you can see that it's exactly the same height as this triangle. So the area of a triangle equals base times height divided by 2. And that gives us 4 times the height, which is 5, divided by 2. 4 times 5 is 20, divided by 2 is 10 square centimeters. So now we know that the area of this triangle is 15 square centimeters, and the area of this triangle is 10 square centimeters. So now we can add the areas together to get the area of the trapezoid. So the area would be 15 square centimeters plus 10 square centimeters. And that equals 25 square centimeters, which is what we got when we used the formula.